Osaje ajeni otofeni osamadu nekena ayabashi kete ka agwa umu wenani oweni ofotu umu wenani ndoboshi ibagwa shiwebo nde Igbo when agwa wabu ndi Igbo shiwebo nde South. What is South? I see South as a non-entity that is just being created to divide the people, because in the whole wide world only in this country we hear of a region called South. South is not in geography. South is not in geography, so you should not be proud of it. Don't be proud of it. But some are doing check our chop corner maybe when they we are talking about Anioma state creation, and when Anioma state is being created, we want to be zoned to southeast where our brothers are. Some of our Anioma people are saying if we actualize Anioma state, let Anioma state remain in South. If Ishekiri people start agitating for Ishekiri state, do you think that they will want to remain in South? They will never want to remain in South because they are Yoruba people. Even when they identify as Ishekiri, they are Yoruba people. They will want to be zoned to southwest when the larger Yoruba race belong. They will want to be identified as southwest and not south. So why are we Anioma people saying if we actualize Anioma state, we will remain in South? I will say Anioma state cannot need South. Doing what in South? South are just different people. South people are not related. South are just different people. If they are doing South governors summit now, or anything that they are doing in South that will bring all South leaders together, they will be using English. South are not one people. That's why they are being marginalized. Look at Anioma people in South. Anioma people are not gaining anything. Their resources exploited. And some of us will still be claiming we are South. We are South. South is not a race. It's not an ethnicity. In South, we have Yoruba people in South, Ishekiri. We have Ijo. We have Igbo. So we, the Igbo speaking people in South, should identify as Igbos and embrace our brothers in the Southeast. If we actualize Anioma state, we make sure that we are being zoned to the Southeast. As in there when you are expected to identify with people you have everything in common with. Makanishi osani bofu Ukwuani ndeka ndenwani osani bu nde Igbo. Stop the deny. If you like, keep denying from now till tomorrow. The federal government knows that you are Igbo. Where African Nezuzu, when I want to name the Zuzu, when I deny you are Igbo. When I show Nezuzu. Igbos are one family. Igbos are one ancestry. Your Ukwuani identity is sacrosanct. You remain Ukwuani. Your Ika identity is sacrosanct. You remain Ika. Your Enuane identity, Ikwere identity remains sacrosanct. You remain Ikwere, you remain Ukwuani, but you are Igbo because we are the ancient people. Our language is called Ndebo language, the ancient language. That's why if we actualize our Anioma state, we are expected to be zoned to the southeast where our brothers belong. Mbenene, Mebo Wenono, Mbonye Ugume, Mbonye Umuchime Ugume, Mbonye Ukwuani. Ụbọchị ọzọ ma bịaji kwụ ngwa ndị eke na ife ka dị naanị mma. Ishi egwale.